What does language mean to you? For more than a decade now, I've been collecting place words, terms for landscape and nature gleaned from conversations and maps and books that I've jotted down in journals and on slips of paper. Our islands possess a wealth of such wonder words that together constitute a vast, vanishing language for landscape. So I set out to save and gather some of these terms used for centuries by fishermen and farmers, sailors, soldiers, shepherds, walkers, and countless ordinary people. In 2007, the Oxford Junior Dictionary cut dozens of words concerning nature: acorn, ash, conker, kingfisher, willow. They all went. A literacy of landscape is falling fast from us, and what goes with the words is a kind of magic, the power that certain terms possess to enchant our relations with nature and with place. Language is fossil poetry, wrote Emerson beautifully in 1844. As the limestone of the continent consists of infinite masses of shells, so language is made up of images which have long ceased to remind us of their poetic origin. My book Landmarks is a celebration and a defence of the poetic origin of place words. Over the years, thousands of such words have reached me, and as I've travelled in search of them, I've met new ones as well as salvaging old ones. A painter in the Hebrides who used landskein to refer to the braid of blue horizon lines on a hazy day. A 5-year-old girl in North Cambridgeshire who concocted honey fur to describe the soft seeds of grasses held in the fingers. We've forgotten 10,000 words for our landscapes, but we'll make 10,000 more given time.